Welcome all, myself Prithviraj. Let's discuss Deep's data structure. Deep is a double-ended heap that supports the double-ended priority operations of insert, delete minimum and delete maximum operations similarly to the minimum and maximum heap operations, but deep data structure is more faster and efficient on these minimum and maximum heap operations by a constant factor and algorithms. Let's see deep's definition. A deep is a complete binary tree that is either empty or satisfy the following properties. The first property is the root contains with no element. Let's see an example. This is a binary tree with the root element as no value, and the left subtree is called as minimum heap and the right subtree is called as maximum heap. And the fourth property is correspondence property. If the right subtree is not empty, then let I be any node in the left subtree and let j be the corresponding node in the right subtree. And if such a j does not exist for the left subtree I, then j be the node in the right subtree that corresponding to the parent of I, and the key in the node I is less than or equals to that of j. Let's see. Let's take from the minimum heap the node is 9, and from the right side maximum heap there is no corresponding element for these 9, so the parent of node 9 is 8 and the corresponding element of 8 is 40, so the corresponding element of the node 9 is also 40. Let's see the complete binary tree below the corresponding nodes for nodes with 5, 10, 8, 15, 19 and so on. Let's see one by one. For 5, the corresponding elements on the right subtree is 45. Okay. And for 10, the corresponding element is 25. And for 8, it is 40. And for 15, it is 20. And for 19, then the corresponding node does not exist. So what we have done, 19th parent node is 10, and that parent node corresponding element is 25. So the corresponding element for 19 is also 25. Then next 9. The corresponding element for 9 is also does not exist. So the parent node for 9 is 8 and the corresponding element for 8 is 40. So the corresponding element for 9 is also 40. In the same way for 30 also it is 40. And deep's operations. Insert. To insert a new element we use insert function, and to delete minimum, delete min, or to delete maximum we use delete maximum function. Let's insert first. Insert. Similar to normal insert into heap, the new value when inserted into deep data structure, if it is in the left subtree, will move up using a compare for a minimum heap, and if it is in the right subtree, it will move up using compare for a maximum heap. For suppose we are trying to insert the elements in left subtree. The left subtree is minimum heap. Minimum heap definition is the minimum of the all nodes should be topmost, and for maximum heap the maximum numbers from all the nodes should be at top of the root of the subtree. Let's see an example. Now we will insert 4 using deep data structure. We are trying to insert 4 to the right subtree, and in deeps we have the property that the left subtree node should be less than or equals to right subtree corresponding node. That means here 19 and 4 are corresponding nodes, and we have to compare them first. 19 is greater than 4, so the smaller node should be on the left subtree. So now we have to swap them. 19 goes right side and 4 comes left side. Okay, and now we take left subtree, that is minimum heap. The minimum heap property is the minimum of all nodes should be at top of the subtree. It will compare with the parent node. Now 4 will compare with 10. 10 is greater and 4 is smaller. So swapped again. 4 goes up, 10 comes down. And now again 4 will compare with parent node. 4 will compare with 5. 5 is greater, so 5 comes below and 4 goes up. This is the complete deep tree after inserting 4. Now we insert 60. Suppose 60 is inserted from the right side and we check first corresponding element. Corresponding element for the 60 is 9. Okay, first we check corresponding property. The left should be lesser or equal to right side. It satisfies the condition, so no swapping required. And the maximum heap function we have to check, that is the maximum number should be at the topmost. The 60 is at the end of the subtree and it checks with the parent node. 60 is greater, so we have to move upwards. 60 is gone upside and 40 comes below, and again it's compared with 45. 60 goes upward and 45 comes below, and this is the last final subtree after inserting 60. Now delete minimum. Delete minimum operation deletes the minimum value in the heap. That means topmost value in the heap, minimum heap, and it rearranges the heap, so it is still a minimum heap in the left subtree and maximum heap in the right subtree. That means after deleting the minimum value in the heap, it should be rearrange the remaining nodes according to the minimum heap or maximum heap conditions. This is an example for delete minimum. In step 1, now we are trying to delete 5 node 5. To delete it, from the right subtree, the top below last element should be replaced with the deleting position. So 5 is removed and the right side below is 20, so 5 should be replaced with 20. In the second step we can see it, and it checks for the minimum heap properties, that is minimum should be at the topmost of the subtree. So 20 is greater than 8, so it should be come down. It swaps between 8 and 20. 8 goes upward and 20 goes downside. And in the third step, it again compares with the below element, that is 9. Now 9 or 30, but 30 is greater, na? So we take 9 and 20 is greater than 9, so it again swaps. 9 goes upward and 20 goes downside, and this is the final deep binary tree after deleting element 5. And now we try to delete maximum value in the max heap, and it rearranges. It does the same operation. It should be rearranged it should be rearranged by using minimum or maximum conditions after deleting the maximum value in the heap. And this is the example to delete the maximum value from the max heap. By delete maximum is, it should be delete the maximum topmost element from the max heap, that is here 45. Now we are trying to delete 45, so but it uses the same, first step is same. While deleting the topmost element, the bottomth element should be replaced with the deletion place. That means if you want to delete 45, 20 should be replaced with 45. Okay, first step completed. And again it should check for the max heap conditions, that is maximum element should be at the topmost. So 20 is compared with 40. 20, here 25 also is greater than 20, but 20 in between 25 to 40, which is higher? 40 node is higher, so we have to swap 20 and 40. 20 comes down and 40 goes upwards, and the final output of the deep binary tree after deleting 45 is below. This is the brief introduction about deep data structure.